What's up guys, Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video I'm going to give you guys a quick review of this ear max. As you can see right here, this is basically a great ear max. It is basically the ear max in this cloth looking color right here. As you can see, the design of this guys is basically made from a bit of jeans material, I should say. Yeah, but I did change this lace though. This is not the original lace that come inside it. I did change it to basically match the color of the bottom right here. So I basically have this a few months now. I think it over a year, not sure exactly. I basically got this from my brother. He basically gifted to me, and I just want to give you guys a review of it to basically show you how it looks. So this one exactly the 8.5. As you can see, I've worn this quite a many times, so and it feels very comfortable. As you can see right here, we have the ear max looking bottom right there, which is basically something that always in most of these ear max right here. This little hole, this one basically underneath we have 3 holes. As you can see, they would go through, and it feels very neat, and I love the design of it. Feel very comfortable, and as you can see in the tag right there, the size and everything from Nike, and this is basically original, and I love this right here. So guys, if you're looking for one of these, this is one of the perfect choice. I love the design of this right here. Feel very comfortable, can wear on any occasion, match with basically any one of your clothes. If you're wearing a jeans, you basically match with this thing right here very perfectly. And yeah, I'm loving it. So link for this guys is down in the description, so check the description box for the links if you want to purchase one of these. And also subscribe to this channel for more content like this if you're interested in these stuff. I basically do most of review on these channel that I find interesting and things that I basically have and own. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next video. Peace out.